Students, now come to second module of chapter Microbes in Human Welfare. In the first module, we have done the usage of microbes in domestic products. Now we are coming to the usage of microbes in industrial products. Firstly, we are starting with usage in distilleries. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, also called brewer's yeast. It is the same microbes which is used in baking industry and also known as baker's yeast. It is used to ferment malted cereals like wheat, rice, etc. or on fruits. And after fermentation, it will produce ethanol. Ethanol will be of various kind. It may be in the form of wine and beer or maybe in the form of whiskey, brandy and rum. Then what is the difference between the two? Wine and beer are produced without distillation. That is why they have less percentage of alcohol or less concentration of alcohol, while whiskey, brandy and rum are produced after distillation and thus have more percentage of alcohol. Now come to the antibiotics. Antibiotics are the chemicals produced by the microbes for killing the pathogens. In other words, antibiotics are used to treat the diseases. Antibiotic word is made up of two words, anti and biotic. Anti means against, biotic means life. But it is not anti-life against humans. It is in context with microbes or pathogens. They are anti-life to pathogens while pro-life to humans. The first antibiotic was discovered by Alexander Fleming, and it was his by chance discovery. Actually, he was working on a culture of Staphylococcus bacteria and he found the growth of one mold named as Penicillium notatum. He noticed this fungus produced a toxin and this toxin was killing the bacteria. So he named this toxin as penicillin, which is used as an antibiotic. But its usage as an effective antibiotic was established much later by the scientists Ernest Chain and Florey. It was used to treat American soldiers wounded in World War II. That is why all the three, Fleming, Chain and Florey, were awarded the Nobel Prize for the same. Now come to the other examples of antibiotics. Erythromycin, gentamicin, tetracycline, ampicillin, neomycin are few examples. Today, a broad range of antibiotics are available to treat the various diseases like diphtheria, pertussis, etc. But please note, antibiotic should be used only under the prescription of a doctor or under the supervision of a doctor. We should not play with the antibiotics. If we'll take them again and again without the supervision of a doctor, then they can produce resistance in our body. And whenever in real sense they require, they will not be able to work. Beside the use of microbes in the production of antibiotics and fermentation process, they are also used in producing various organic acids. For example, citric acid, acetic acid, butyric acid and lactic acid. These are produced by the microbes. Citric acid is produced by a fungus which is Aspergillus niger, while the other acetic acid, butyric acid, and lactic acid, they are produced by the bacteria named as Acetobacter aceti, Clostridium botulism, and Lactobacillus. Now come to the questions, or in the next paragraph in the NCERT it is given. So question is, what is used in detergent formulation to remove the oily stain from the clothes? As we have studied in class 11th, lipase enzymes are used, or they are meant for the digestion of fats. So if lipase enzymes are used in the detergent formulas, they will digest the oil from the clothes and clothes will not have any stain of oil later. Now come to the next question. Bottle juices which are bought from the market are more clearer as compared to the juices which are prepared at home. Why? Because in the market juices, two enzyme pectinases and proteases are added. So what will happen? They will become, by this process, they will become more clearer. Now we are coming to the bioactive molecules, which are very important for human health, and these are also produced by the microbes. These are three, very confusing and very important from the exam point of view. Streptokinase related word is here. Bacterium is Streptococcus. It is used as a clot buster. Means it is used to remove the clots which are formed in the blood vessels, or it is given to a patient who is suffering from myocardial infarction or heart attack. Cyclosporin A is used for those patients which are undergoing the process of transplantation of organs, because it will act as immunosuppressive reagent. It is produced from the fungus Trichoderma polysporum. Even in the exam, it may be asked why cyclosporin is given to the patients. So it will act as immunosuppressive reagent. Source may be asked. Any part of the table can be asked with the blanks as such table or individual question of 1 mark. Now we are coming to the last, statin, which is again by yeast Monescus purpureus. Statin is used to lower down the blood cholesterol level. Now the question comes, how does it lower the blood cholesterol level? It lowers the blood cholesterol level by inhibiting the enzyme which is responsible for the synthesis of cholesterol. So it is the competitive inhibition which will act, or which is responsible for lowering the blood cholesterol level. These bioactive molecules are very important. Question may be asked, name one bioactive molecule prepared from the fungus, or maybe asked, name the source of statin, or from whom statin is prepared. So you have to name Monescus purpureus. So you will not be able to learn these names, and you will get confused during the exam. For this, in front of your study table, made these table and go through them each and every day and keep on revising them. Next, make notes out of it, and I have given the certain questions to you, and you will find the answer from the notes only. Thank you. That's all for today. Any doubt, you're most welcome to ask me on personal window. Thanks.